All right, everybody, it's time for some elevations. This is the Bungalows for Bachelor's Home Design program. Let's get right into it here. First thing we're going to do, set up the front camera elevation. Here's how this works. There's stuff hidden in here. We're going to change views to see it. We're going to go to the working plan view. That's going to show us these 4 cameras here on the outside. Those are the cameras we want. Start with the front. We're going to double click on this camera and it's going to open up an elevation view. Scroll out, find our house. There it is. We're going to ignore this cabinet over here. All right, this is our elevation view. What we got to do here is set some lines and some labels. Super quick and easy, guys. Right now, this line is 0, foundation height. We want window header heights, and then we want plate height of the wall, and then we want roof peak height. That's what we're going to do. I happen to know that I had a 9-foot ceiling in here, and my first line is going to copy up to 109 and 1/8. I'm going to touch the line. I'm going to go down here to the transform replicate button, and I'm going to copy 1 and click move. Z is up. X and Y is plan view. Z is up in the house. We're going to go 109.125. Okay, now we have a line there. We've got a 80-inch header height. Let's go ahead and do that one. Copy up Z 80 inches. And then we got the roof peak height. It's up there. I don't know where it is. So I'm just going to say copy up 20 feet. And I'm close. Now I'm going to take the red thing. I'm going to drag it down till it snaps on the roof. And that is the roof peak height. Okay, those are set. Let's grab these labels. There's a plate height and a header height label I'm going to drag over here and set next to my house here. This is the 80-inch header height that we happen to have. And this is going to be a 9-foot plate height. Put that label there. And this is going to be roof peak height. We're going to grab this, put it over here. And we don't need these over here. We're going to delete them. All right, we can leave these lines where they are. No big deal. Adjust this text a little bit, and then we're going to add dimensions. All right, point-to-point dimensions. We're going to go right here from this line to this line. And then we're going to go from this line to this line. And I missed. Then we're going to go from this line to this line. And then we're going to go from this line to this line. These are telling us, hey, what are the heights, by the way? What are the heights of these things? 9 foot 1 1/8, 6 foot 8 inches, and this guy right here. That's very good, good to go. Okay, we got that taken care of. Now let's just kind of zoom in, center what we want to see here. Go to our sheet set, go to the next page where the elevations are going to go, and then we're going to go back to this view. We're going to click File, Send to Layout. We're going to do the current screen, plot lines, 1/4 inch per 1 foot is great. Hit OK. All right, now this is over on our sheet. We're going to drag this over to the front, shrink the box down, and you're basically just going to remove everything you didn't need here. There's the front view. Now, before we do the next one, we're going to go back to this. We're going to highlight these lines, Control C for copy, and then I'm going to go to my next camera. I'm going to do the backside view. Open up the backside camera, and then here's the house, but I need to paste the lines in. So I'm going to hold Control Alt V, and that's paste hold position. I want to now slide these over onto my house. But if I do this, I'm going to start snapping. I'm going to stop first. I'm going to go over here to my snaps and I'm going to turn my object snap off. And now I should be able to highlight all this, slide over, and I don't do anything weird. I'm just going to put this next to the house and I knew I went too far. So let's go back a little bit. We'll kind of zoom in on what you want. File, send to layout. Okay, current screen, plot lines, and 1/4 inch per foot. Good to go. Send it over. This computer is drawing our elevations for us as we go. We don't have to draw anything here in this program. I'm just kind of roughly putting these where they need to be. And I've already got those other lines copied. So I'm going to exit out of these camera views. Save my work because it's good to save as you go. All right, now we're going to do the right side and then the left side. Control Alt V, slide over, zoom in, into layout. Adjust the window. All right, now we'll do the left side. Control Alt V, we'll go find it, slide it over, zoom in on what we want to send over, file, send it to layout. Current screen, plot lines, 1/4 inch. Okay, boom, there we go. Adjust the box. All right, now I'm going to adjust all these around to make them level and make them look pretty on the page. All right, now I'll center the whole thing on the sheet. Beautiful. Okay, good to go. What's next? Send to layout and repeat is done. We've already got all the lines on layout. Now we need to label roof pitches. What we're going to do is we know the front and the rear don't show the roof pitch. The side views show the roof pitch. And we know that we set it to an 812. I'm going to go over here to 812 with the background. Copy, paste, go a little bit above the roof peak, drop it on, Control V for paste, drop it above the roof peak. There you go, 812. That's showing everybody, hey, this is framed with an 812 pitch. Good to go. What's next? Label siding types. Okay, super easy, guys. We're going to go over here where it says lap siding. We're going to copy that. Control V for paste. We'll put it on that one. We'll put it on this one. We'll put it on this one. We'll put it on this one. Done. We're going to label the roof type, architectural asphalt shingles. Boom, boom. Labeled. Done. Label attic windows if we got them. Well, we don't have any, but this is where we would maybe label them if we needed to. Otherwise, our elevation is complete. On to the next one.